Welcome back to Cruises and Casinos. We are still in Belize. We walked to the right from the cruise terminal. See the tenderboat docking area. That's the cruise terminal. And now we head into the right of that. There's folks here waiting to take pictures, but there's some people that just stay there and stay there. Just want to get a photo. Hopefully they'll move away once they get their photo. Thank you. Any day now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I got a picture of it. There are the 3 ships out in on the ocean and in the fog. That's where the tenderboats are coming in from. Mrs. Casinos went back on the ship. She said she's had enough, and she just made a beeline for the tenderboat, and she headed back. I think basically Mrs. Casinos gets very panicky and anxiety when she's in an area that doesn't look safe. This is not the area that I was thinking about that we walked through last time. It was one long road that went all the way to the beach, not the beach, to the ocean, where the waves were like really coming in, hitting up against the rocks. I asked a couple of the local people and even a policeman, and he sent me over here, but this is not it. This is not what I was thinking about. Because I remember there was a restaurant on the way down that we had stopped to shelter from the rain, and we had bought smoothies over there. That's not here. And actually, when I'm done making this video, I'm going to head back to the ship also, because all the clothing that we're wearing is paint soaked, along with just about every other guest on that the upper level of that tenderboat. So we like to find out what, if anything, could be done. I know we're not going to be taking them back home. It's a waste of time. It would never get clean. This looks like some kind of an excursion area. There's a crowd over there waiting to get into those boats. I'm surprised that they have excursions going out today. This is the Radisson Hotel. I do not remember this at all. And it looks like it's been here for a while. Morning. Mrs. Casino said to me, draw a line through Belize. She doesn't want to come back here. And I think we have another cruise that's coming here in Royal Caribbean. I think it's Enchantment of the Seas. I could pretty much guarantee she's not going to get off the ship. I'm going to be whispering now because it's a quiet zone. Oh, I gotta be careful when I'm walking through further up. Just make sure there's no oncoming traffic to splash that water up. Doesn't seem to be any. I'll get through here as quickly as possible. Yeah, gloomy day. Rainy, drizzly, overcast, and gloomy. I'm gonna walk through here, head on back. It says Fort George Memorial Park. Not sure what that's going to be. I think this is the road we had walked down. It's either this one or the one further down that's called, this one's called Taiwan. And the restaurant place here was on the left-hand side that we had stopped to shelter. We got smoothies, but I remember it was a much longer road than this. Actually, I don't think this is it. I'm not gonna go looking for that street. I'm heading back. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna head on back. This actually might be the area, but it's all closed. That's why I can't tell. All of these little huts. Yeah, I think I'm back to the cruise terminal to get the tender boats. I hear like the horses coming behind me. I better get out from this street before I get run over. This looks like it's an entrance to go back into the cruise port, so I'm gonna head in through here. Cruises and casinos in Belize City, Belize on Carnival Magic. This is Wednesday, December 13th, 2023. Yeah, I think we're back to the cruise terminal. There's like a specific entrances. They actually guide you to them. Hope you folks enjoyed the tour. If you're thinking of coming to Belize, I would suggest booking excursions. There's not much at all to see in walking around the town, and it does not look very safe. Thanks for watching.